This is my Amway ClearTrak. I bought this about 7 months ago on eBay. New old stock. The seller claimed it had never been used to vacuum up anything. It had only been turned on just to make sure that it still worked. I myself haven't used it all that much. I've used it maybe an hour total in the 7 months that I've had it. It came with the original box, as you can see. It also came with the original owner's manual. It's missing, unfortunately, it's missing most of the original attachments. This is all that came with it, the 2 extension wands and the crevice tool. The vacuum itself works fine. As you can see, that there's nothing currently in the dustbin. I made a minor modification to the filter. It was missing one of the filters, the electrostatic or micron filter, whatever you call it. So I actually made a new filter out of synthetic HEPA bag, and I think that actually works better. And then you have the foam filter that sits above the micron filter. It's in excellent condition except for the fact that there is a small crack right here from storage. Considering the fact that it's about 25 years old, it's in pretty good condition. This is the brush roll, which is in pretty much mint condition. Everything is pretty nice on the machine, so I'll just run it quick. I have not changed the belt. I should probably change the belt because it's stretched out quite a bit. But suction isn't that great. It's probably comparable to like a Fantom Fury. It's enough to do, you know, like your dusting, but it's not spectacular. It has a 3-prong commercial cord, which is kind of unusual for a residential vacuum cleaner. So here's the Amway ClearTrak. So there's the Amway.